How to change video quality on Facebook app. Here's how. First, launch the Facebook app on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your Facebook account. If you are not logged in yet, enter your credentials to access the app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines icon. Once the menu is open, locate and tap on the Settings and Privacy option. After expanding the Settings and Privacy section, you will find the Mobile Data Use. Click on it. Here you will see two available options to change the video quality on Facebook. The first one is Optimized. Choose this if you want the Facebook to automatically adjust the video resolution for the best experience. However, if you need to save data or have a slower network, tap on the data saver to reduce the video resolution. Once you choose your desired settings, the change is saved automatically. From now on, videos on Facebook will play according to your preference. That's all. This is how to change video quality on Facebook app.